Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you people are fit and fine at your homes. So, children, today in this session, we will learn about the transitive and intransitive verb. Then, the question that comes to our mind at first is what is verb? If I ask you what is verb, so we can say an action words or doing words are called verb. आप सभी को पता है you all are familiar with the verbs कि action words and doing words are called verbs. Whatever we do, sing, weep, cry, shout, eat, drink, sleep, walk, everything whatever we do is verb. So children, today in this session we will learn more about the verbs एंड इट्स काइंड कि वर्ब के जो प्रकार हैं उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब, ट्रांजिटिव एंड intransitive. So in this session we will discuss about or we will learn about the transitive and intransitive verb. So children, let's start with the transitive verb. Transitive verbs, in simple words we can say transitive verbs takes an object to make the sentence or to make the meaning clear. कि जो आपको हमेशा अपने माइंड में बिठा के रखना है वो ये चीज़ है कि जब जो वर्ब अपने साथ ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हैं कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब टेक्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट, जो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैं वो हमेशा अपने साथ ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हैं. सो here I am explaining you a transitive verb used with the direct object transmit action to an object and may also have an indirect object, कि वहाँ पे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है उसके साथ और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है, विच इंडिकेट्स टू और फॉर whom द एक्शन इज़ डन, जो कि इंडिकेट करता है कि जो कोई भी एक्शन हुआ है वो किसके लिए हुआ है, फॉर whom द एक्शन इज़ डन, कि किसके लिए हुआ है वो. In other words, we can say a transitive verb is a verb that transmit action to an object. So, children, the thing which you have to keep in your mind that transitive verbs takes an object. Here, see some examples. The sentence examples are: number one, he sent the letter. He sent the letter. He is subject sent, S-E-N-T. Sent क्या हुआ बेटे? Sent मतलब भेजा, past form of send. He sent the letter. If I hide the word, if I hide the word the letter, then क्या मतलब निकला? He sent, उसने भेजा. डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया कि क्या भेजा भाई? गिफ्ट भेजा, पार्सल भेजा, क्या भेजा? तो नथिंग इज क्लियर. तो एज आई हैव अर्लियर टोल्ड यू कि द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स takes an object. So here in the first sentence he sent the letter. Letter is direct object of sent. So there is an object. So here sent is transitive verb. In the second sentence, she gave the lecture. She gave the lecture. Gave is verb. उसने lecture दिया. She subject. And what did she give? क्या दिया उसने? She gave the lecture. The lecture is an object. So gave is a transitive verb. In these sentences, something is being done to an object. Is it clear? Yes. Now, come to the intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not take an object. Transitive verbs takes an object or intransitive verb does not take an object. This is the main difference between them. So, here see the sentence. look at the sentences. She sleeps too much. She sleeps too much. She subject sleep. Sleep is verb. वो बहुत सोती है. Sleeps verb, but there is no object. कोई object नहीं है. Clear sentence है. She sleeps too much. बहुत सोती है. The meaning is clear. In the second sentence, he complains frequently. वो frequently complain करता है. Again, complains is verb and there is no object. कोई object नहीं है क्योंकि frequently is an adverb. तो intransitive verbs does not take an object, and when you notice or when you observe the sentences, there are no objects, so they are intransitive verb. Is it clear? Let's practice so that you will be clear. Tell me what each sentence is using a transitive or intransitive verb. Yes, children. The first sentence, Kenny taught the class. Kenny is subject. Kenny is subject. Taught is verb. Kenny ने पढ़ाया. If I hide the class, अगर मैं the class को hide कर देती हूँ तो nothing is clear. कुछ नहीं मालूम हमें क्या हो रहा है. किसको पढ़ाया? Who knows? किसको पता है, किसी को नहीं पता. तो Kenny taught the class. The class is an object, and if the verb takes an object, it is transitive. So we can say taught is a transitive verb. Now come to the second sentence. He sits around too often. Here verb is, what is verb here? Sits. He sits around too often. Or do you have any object in the second sentence? No. So here sits is an intransitive verb. Number third is Rohan ran the marathon in under 2 hours. Rob ran the marathon in under 2 hours. Ran verb, कहाँ भागा? Marathon में भागा. In under 2 hours, so it is transitive. That boy cries a lot. वो लड़का बहुत cry करता है. तो that boy cries a lot, बहुत रोता है. तो cries is an intransitive verb. So here we have the solution. You can see Kenny taught the lesson is transitive. He sits around too often, intransitive. Rob ran the marathon in under 2 hours, again transitive. That boy cries a lot, intransitive. So children, I think you people can understand very well what is transitive or what is intransitive verb. I think you people have no problem to identify the verbs, what is transitive and what is intransitive. So children, this is for all for today. On WhatsApp group, I'll give you some activities. So all the doubts, when you people will do that exercise, or if you feel any difficulty or any problem, if you face any problem, then we will discuss it again. Or if you find any difficulties in that activity, so you can call me on my personal number. So children, thank you and have a nice day.